Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm going to go over AMC with you guys. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're trying to hold above with this volatility that we have been getting this week, and what exact indicators are going to give us confirmation on a continuation, which indicators will give us confirmation on that major squeeze that we're looking for. And all I ask for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more entries and breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's get into this one. So I'm going to go over AMC with you guys here on the forward chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this momentum does look, what will give us confirmation on a continuation from here. But I do want to mention before we get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. Some of the breakouts that we had this week was on Thursday, we had RWK going 6 extended hours, mentioning their exosuit news at $1.40, jumping all the way up to $2.40, over 50% on that breakout. And the day before that on Wednesday, we mentioned EVAX going 6 extended hours at $15, jumping all the way up to $50 going 6 extended hours, over 200% on that breakout. And we had a major breakout with FATBB halted at $14, chipping all to $24, over 70% on that breakout. So if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the forward chart, we had this major spike previously all the way up to about 72.50. Looking to see if we can continue on past that previous high. As you guys can see, we had the 20-day average curl up here, and we did have that continuation as we did hold the 20-day average above the 50 here, and we did have that continuation. We did curl down here, and also we did drop down below our symmetric triangle at that point in time, and we did continue on down. Since then, we had the 20-day average continue on down below the 50, which gave us our continuation on down from that consolidation. Now, as you guys can see, we recently did have this 1-ring average crossing above the 50, and we did alert this one in the Instables room from $40 up to $48, looking to see if we can hold our next range here between 48 and 58. Again, 58 being our blue sky breakout that we have been looking for. But as you guys can see, we did break into that $48 range. We did drop down below it because we did not have that increase in buy pressure. As you guys can see, we got that decrease in buy pressure, showing us that momentum to the downside. And then we have the EMA lines crossed down below the MACD, which gave us our continuation on down. But however, we have been consolidating here on AMC. As you guys can see, we have a large symmetric triangle that we did draw out, and we were trying to respect this symmetric triangle, which we had a few bounces off of, but however, we did drop down below it. And as you guys can see, we are retesting this $40 level to see if we can hold it, as we did have our gap down out of our symmetric triangle, looking to see if we can reclaim $40 and get this 20-day average to continue to cross back above the 50 here. Now, we are really close, and that's one thing I really do like about AMC is that we have not had this 20-day average, looking to see if they can cross above the 50. Now, we did cross above the 50 just above the 50, and we did curl back down. So again, making sure we do get that completion on that 200-day average crossing above the 50. Again, the 200-day average is the yellow line, and the 50-day average is the red, and this is on the forward chart. This is the swing trade perspective. Looking to see if we can reclaim $40 here with the 200-day average crossing above the 50 is what I would be looking for. Now, to get that confirmation on that gap up from $48 to $58, and to make sure we do hold this previous breakout that we did have to $48 and did continue on down, is to break above that momentum that we did have when we did have this breakout. So as you guys can see, we have our buy pressure from that spike exactly at this point, looking to see if we can break above it. Now, we do have that increase in buy pressure, and we do have the EMA lines just looking to see if they can continue to cross back above the MACD here. And if we do continue on with this momentum and we do cross above this previous buy pressure point, then we could have confirmation on that gap up from $48 to $58. But again, making sure we do get that confirmation. If we do not get the confirmation, then we could get rejected to the upside again here on AMC. Now, what I would be wanting for us to hold this $40 level is to break above our previous buy pressure point that we did have when we did spike up to this $40 level. We could not hold it. Again, we get that decrease in buy pressure just like we did at that $48 level. And now we are trying to get that increase in buy pressure. Again, we do like how the EMA lines are crossing with the MACD, showing us that we could continue. So again, making sure we do break above our buy pressure point that we did have when we were testing that $40 mark is very key for us, but making sure we do break above our previous buy pressure point at $48 is what I would be looking for to get that strong momentum here with AMC and to get back into play for that possible squeeze. Now, what I would be looking for to get that confirmation on that major squeeze is to break above our previous momentum that we had all the way up to 72.50 here on that buy pressure, making sure we do get confirmation above this buy pressure point. Now, if you do want to set an alert here on TradingView, you go over the plus sign here on the MACD, you click add alert, and you can be confirmed exactly at momentum points that you do want to be confirmed on multiple stocks. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'll be doing if I don't want to be watching the market. You want to be confirmed exactly at key points. This is exactly what I'll be doing here on the MACD. Now, if we do continue on with the 200 average crossing above the 50 years, it looks like we are testing it going into next week. Then in my opinion, we could possibly have a spike up to $40 one more time and possibly have a continuation, or we will come back down and possibly retest and continue on up, or again, we could possibly come back down, making sure our stop loss is here at $30 as we did have our previous gap up, making sure we do not gap down here. Again, my stop loss would definitely be at $30. $100. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I would be doing. And again, with that said, if you do want to see all of my daily breakout alerts of the day for only $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. God bless you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.